Subscribe for daily quizzes and let me know how many you got correct today. Here's some sector analysis trivia. Which segment includes agriculture and mining? Is it A, quaternary sector, B, secondary sector, C, tertiary sector, or D, primary sector? The correct answer is D, primary sector. What sector encompasses manufacturing? Is it A, quaternary sector, B, tertiary sector, C, secondary sector, or D, primary sector? The correct answer is C, secondary sector. Which sector generates telecommunications services? Is it A, retail sector, B, agriculture sector, C, telecom sector, or D, finance sector? The correct answer is C, telecom sector. Which analysis examines a company's capabilities? Is it A, SWOT analysis, B, pest analysis, C, financial audit, or D, value chain? The correct answer is A, SWOT analysis. What economic sector includes education? Is it A, manufacturing sector, B, health sector, C, agricultural sector, or D, education sector? The correct answer is D, education sector. Which area of study deals with job growth? Is it A, labor market analysis, B, economic theory, C, historical linguistics, or D, career counseling? The correct answer is A, labor market analysis. What sector is known for energy production? Is it A, transportation sector, B, agriculture sector, C, technology sector, or D, energy sector? The correct answer is D, energy sector. Which segment covers construction and infrastructure? Is it A, construction sector, B, environmental protection, C, technology sector, or D, real estate market? The correct answer is A, construction sector. What industry includes retailers and wholesalers? Is it A, technology sector, B, retail sector, C, agriculture sector, or D, manufacturing industry? The correct answer is B, retail sector. Which sector includes aerospace and automotive? Is it A, service industry, B, technology sector, C, manufacturing sector, or D, agriculture sector? The correct answer is C, manufacturing sector. Which term refers to the study of market trends? Is it A, market analysis, B, financial forecasting, C, economic history, or data prediction? The correct answer is A, market analysis. Which analysis tool outlines competitive forces? Is it A, SWOT analysis, B, pest analysis, C, Porter's 5 forces, or D, value chain? The correct answer is C, Porter's 5 forces. What segment provides public services? Is it A, private sector, B, retail sector, C, corporate sector, or D, public sector? The correct answer is D, public sector. Which industry focuses on financial investment? Is it A, investment sector, B, health industry, C, technology sector, or D, retail market? The correct answer is A, investment sector. What sector includes arts and entertainment? Is it A, technology sector, B, business sector, C, agriculture sector, or D, cultural sector? The correct answer is D, cultural sector. What industry provides logistics and transportation? Is it A, entertainment industry, B, health sector, C, education system, or D, transport sector? The correct answer is D, transport sector. What area studies supply chains and operations? Is it A, business analytics, B, logistics engineering, C, operations management, or D, supply chain finance? The correct answer is C, operations management. Which analysis assesses market risks? Is it A, risk evaluation, B, market projection, C, profit analysis, or D, risk assessment? The correct answer is D, risk assessment. What is the focus of human resources management? Is it A, payroll processing, B, office supplies, C, talent management, or D, employee manual? The correct answer is C, talent management. What industry focuses on environmental services? Is it A, construction industry, B, fashion industry, C, technology sector, or D, environmental sector? The correct answer is D, environmental sector. Which analysis evaluates customer preferences? Is it A, customer analysis, B, market segmentation, C, sales forecasting, or D, competitor analysis? The correct answer is A, customer analysis. What analysis involves competitor evaluations? Is it A, SWOT analysis, B, market segmentation, C, competitive analysis, or D, financial forecasting? The correct answer is C, competitive analysis. Which sector covers personal care products? Is it A, automotive sector, B, food industry, C, cosmetics sector, or D, health sector? The correct answer is C, cosmetics sector. What describes a sustainable business approach? Is it A, short-term growth, B, sustainability sector, C, global expansion, or D, profit maximization? The correct answer is B, sustainability sector. Which segment includes venture capital firms? Is it A, investment capital sector, B, real estate market, C, consumer goods sector, or D, retail banking? The correct answer is A, investment capital sector. What area investigates market demand? Is it A, supply forecasting, B, cost evaluation, C, demand analysis, or D, price monitoring? The correct answer is C, demand analysis. Which industry involves music and media services? Is it A, tech industry, B, fashion industry, C, media sector, or D, agriculture industry? The correct answer is C, media sector. Which sector encompasses social services? Is it A, educational sector, B, social sector, C, healthcare sector, or D, industrial sector? The correct answer is B, social sector. What industry focuses on animal products? Is it A, farming techniques, B, textile industry, C, livestock sector, or D, crop cultivation? The correct answer is C, livestock sector. Which term deals with global markets? Is it A, trade barriers, B, globalization sector, C, local markets, or D, economics theory? The correct answer is B, globalization sector. Which analysis focuses on market barriers? Is it A, consumer behavior, B, barriers to entry, C, price elasticity, or D, market segmentation? The correct answer is B, barriers to entry. What industry pertains to sports and fitness? Is it A, sports sector, B, automotive sector, C, real estate market, or D, fashion industry? The correct answer is A, sports sector. What is the focus of real estate investment? Is it A, property investment, B, business partnerships, C, stock trading, or D, commodity exchange? The correct answer is A, property investment. What describes companies offering cloud services? Is it A, cloud computing sector, B, data storage hardware, C, brick and mortar stores, or D, mobile banking apps? The correct answer is A, cloud computing sector. Which analysis involves cost structures? Is it A, price strategy, B, profit analysis, C, market trends, or D, cost analysis? The correct answer is D, cost analysis. What sector concentrates on agriculture? Is it A, industrial sector, B, technology sector, C, agricultural sector, or D, financial sector? The correct answer is C, agricultural sector. What industry includes domestic appliances? Is it A, textile sector, electronics manufacturing? This refers to the production of electronic devices and components, which is distinct from household appliances focused on everyday tasks. B, home appliance sector, C, electronics manufacturing, or D, automotive industry? The correct answer is B, home appliance sector. What describes charitable organizations? Is it A, for-profit sector, B, government agencies, C, private businesses, or D, nonprofit sector? The correct answer is D, nonprofit sector. Which analysis focuses on economic impact? Is it A, risk assessment, B, environmental study, C, cost-benefit analysis, or D, impact assessment? The correct answer is D, impact assessment. Which term refers to logistics and distribution? Is it A, demand planning, B, supply chain management, C, freight forwarding, or D, inventory oversight? The correct answer is B, supply chain management. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.